Hello everyone, my name is Keyza Adzura Putri. My student's number is 16 and from 80. So today I will tell you how to make cucumber shaved ice. Before that, I will show you the ingredients and the tools first. The ingredients are cucumber, lime, vanilla syrup, water, and ice as needed. And the tools are knife, glass, spoon, filter, and grated cheese. Now I will tell you the steps how to make cucumber ice. Steps 1. Wash the cucumber. Split and remove the seed. Then shave the fruit. Mix the grated cucumber with lime, vanilla syrup, and water. And then stir well. Pour the drink into a serving glass. Then give enough ice cubes. And done! Don't forget to try the recipe at home. Thank you for watching! Yay!